In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Talbots promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple, and let's jump right into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and you'll have to search for Talbots promo code. Right here, you should be able to find this website, which is couponfollow.com. And if you scroll down, you should be able to see the list with different types of deals and promo codes. So for example, if you want to use this one with 20% off, all you have to do is select your coupon code, and this is our discount code that we can use in order to get a discount. Going back to our main search right here, as you can see, we have other websites that we can use. And for example, if we go to Retail Me Note right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes and deals. And if you want, for example, to get this extra 5% off, all you have to do is select Get Deal, and you will be redirected uh, to the website in order to apply the offer right here. So as you can see, I have been redirected to the website, and the offer has been applied. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.